Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about
what is digital marketing and their types. Also define 5 aims of digital marketing. Now let's get started.
Before we dive into digital marketing, it is essential to understand the key differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Traditional marketing refers to the promotion of products or services through offline channels, such as print, television, radio, and outdoor advertising, whereas digital marketing refers to the promotion of products or services through online channels, such as search engines, social media, email, and websites.
There are various types of digital marketing. Number 1, search engine optimization. It optimizing website content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. It increasing visibility, driving organic traffic, and generating leads. Number 2, social media marketing. It creating and sharing content on social media platforms to engage with target audiences. It building brand awareness, driving website traffic, and generating leads. Number 3, content marketing. It creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain audiences. It building trust, establishing thought leadership, and driving conversions. Number 4, email marketing. It sending targeted and personalized messages to customers and prospects via email, nurturing leads, driving conversions, and building customer loyalty. Number 5, pay-per-click PPC advertising. It creating and publishing online ads that are paid for each time a user clicks. It targeting specific audiences, increasing brand awareness, and driving conversions. The 5 aims of digital marketing. The 5 aims that you should bear in mind when creating the content for digital marketing campaigns. The first aim is to ensure you're sending out the right message to the right people at the right time. An example of this is when you go onto any social media website, such as Facebook, and you notice the adverts being displayed to you are products or services that you have previously browsed. This happens because companies start collecting information based on what you like and dislike and start targeting specific adverts towards you. The second aim of digital marketing is engaging your audience. Brands often use online campaigns to get people engaged in talking about their products. Social media is a great way for companies to flex their brand personality. The third aim of digital marketing is motivating your users to take action. This doesn't have to be a customer buying something. It can be encouraging a customer to simply engage with your brand. The fourth aim of digital marketing campaign is spending efficiently. Brands should think about how they can spend less money but still reach out to a great number of people. The final aim is simple: improving the return on your investment. This means increasing the money you make as a percentage of the money you initially invested through your marketing campaign.
If you like my video, do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.